Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. This is how you play a G chord. Now we got to take our fourth finger here and we got to put it at the third fret of the first string, just like that. And then here's how your chord sounds. So you're actually going to leave these two strings, your second and your third string, open as part of the chord, and you have one fretted note. Now you might be thinking, oh my gosh, it's so hard to fret with my pinky, Emily. What am I going to do? Well, don't worry, because at first you're going to have to build up the strength in that little pinky finger, because it might not be there yet, right? You're only human. So you want to try playing this chord, maybe with a strum pattern or something like that. See if you can strum it for 30 seconds at a time, or even 20 or 10. And the more that you do that, the more that you practice, is the stronger that little pinky is going to get. And the more firmly you're going to be able to press down on that chord shape. So keep practicing that, and with lots of dedication, I know that you can get there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.